How to make a postcard. Well, first you start off with the bag. You just get a quick, easy, normal bag, and then you flatten it. Then you take it and then you glue the bottom. Then on the other side, you'll see right here, nothing but an open bag. So next, you take your card, your postcard, and you put it and you turn it on the back. See where this part is? You need to put a stamp in order to send it. And then you could write any kind of letter you want. Next, right below the space, you could write who it's for or your name. And then you can sign your name on it, just like I did here, Kenzie. And then you can write an F and then put a point and then write for who it's for. Next, you take the bag that you made and you put this card in. Then you take it to the mail and you give it to them. That's how you send a port card. Thanks for watching.